In online marketing, lead generation refers to the generation of prospecting or interest in a company's products or services. Leads may be generated for numerous purposes including email list acquisition, database mining, or specific sales leads. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about basic methods of lead generation. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The process of generating interest may take the form of email lists, website visits, telephone calls, or referrals from previous customers. Lead generation in the business environment is an integral part of the overall online marketing strategy and requires the investment of time, resources, and talent. One common approach to generate leads is through the provision of contact information. For instance, a website owner may provide a form that potential customers can fill out to be added to a database of targeted leads. The form may require basic demographic information like name and address. A website or internet service provider may also offer a toll-free number or fax number that can be used to contact potential customers. These types of lead generation techniques usually generate a minimum number of leads. Another lead generation technique is through a contact database. This database contains the names and addresses of individuals who have shown interest in the website or product of the company. The advantage of this method is that a single firm can capture the contact details of many potential customers. Another advantage is that the system can provide the contact details of hundreds of visitors in just a few minutes. However, the disadvantage of this system is that it may not capture a person's email address when the visitor completes the registration process on the website. Website design plays an important role in lead generation. Most companies make use of website design in order to attract consumer interest. It is also important for the company to understand the ways of driving traffic to the site in order to generate leads. A combination of various marketing tools and activities including SEO, advertising, media buys and other similar marketing strategies can drive large volumes of traffic to the website. The website design also contributes to the popularity of a website in the market. One of the most preferred methods of lead generation through advertising is via LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social networking site where business people interact with each other. Business professionals can easily get in touch with their related and friendly clients using LinkedIn. Companies can create profiles on the LinkedIn website and add links to their websites. The other preferred method of inbound marketing through websites is through social media. Social media websites are popular as they allow easy sharing of information among different members. Social media has gained momentum in the lead generation process as social media websites tend to retain more visitor interest. The other lead generation technique is content marketing. Content marketing is a technique wherein a company publishes useful information articles in the form of blogs, articles, press releases, and websites. The articles should be informative and provide the reader with enough reasons to visit the company's website and further learn about the product or service being offered. It is a proven effective method of generating leads through content marketing as content marketers can see direct results after publishing their articles on the internet. Content marketing is the most preferred amongst the rest because it requires little investment and can lead to an increase in company sales. Email marketing is also a good way of generating leads. A company can use lead management software to create an interactive email campaign wherein leads are generated based on a person's personal information e.g. age, sex, educational qualification, etc. An effective e.g. lead generation campaign will include personalized email campaigns and email follow-ups. Thanks for watching my video about basic methods of lead generation. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.